Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how you can install the latest Java JDK and Visual Studio Code IDE on your computer. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So head over to the browser, search for Java JDK and click the first link. Scroll down, select the Java 18 and select your operating system. Now click on download link to download the installer. Once it's done, double click to open it. Click next and wait for it to install. Now close this. We also have to provide the path, so for that open your C drive, open the program files. Here open the Java folder. Inside this open the JDK folder and again open the bin folder and copy the path. Now open your settings. Scroll down to the About section and click on Advanced System Settings. Click on the Environment Variables and in the System Variables select the path and click on Edit. Now click on New and paste the path that we copied earlier. Click OK and close all the windows. Now let's check if our Java is installed or not. For that, run the command prompt as administrator, type java space hyphen version and hit enter and you should get these several details. Now let's check our Java compiler. For that, type java c and hit enter and you should get these statements which shows our Java is successfully installed. Now that we have installed Java, let's install Visual Studio Code. Search for the Visual Studio Code and open the first link. Now click on download and choose your operating system and your download should begin. Once it's completed, open the file and accept the agreement. Just click next and install. We also have to install the Java extension pack in order to write the code in Java, so launch the IDE. On the left hand side, click on the extensions and search for the Java extension pack. Once you find it, open and hit install. As you can see here, we have successfully installed the Java extension pack, and now you can easily write the code in Visual Studio Code. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.